It is a quite simple question. So let's write a condition. If year divisible by or if the modulus of year will be taken with the 4 is equal to 0, then it is a leap year. But we have to write through one more condition, which is basically not one more. We have to write two more conditions. If a year is divisible by 100, not equal to 0. Okay, sorry, is not equal to 0, or we have write this condition, or same year is divisible by, or the modulus of a same year with 400 is equal to 0. Remember, these two conditions are of or, and they both are ended with this condition. Okay, then we can write here the return statement, and the return statement is basically here is a leap year, and here we have to write this. Otherwise, here is not a leap year. So let's run for the cases. It is saying that is a leap year 2016, then 10 is not a leap year, it's not a leap year, it's not a leap year. And then we can write here the one more, which is basically, let's write for 2020. Check. It's saying that they both are leap year. Correct.